Music has always embraced innovation, and today's hybrid analog-digital instruments represent one of the most exciting examples of that evolution. By combining the familiar feel of the traditional instruments with the capabilities of modern electronics, these instruments offer musicians incredible flexibility without sacrificing the playing experience they know and love. From hybrid pianos and guitars to digital drum kits, violins, wind instruments, and advanced performance controllers, these technologies continue to transform the way music is created, performed, and recorded. As these instruments become more advanced, understanding how to care for them, extend their lifespan, and responsibly manage them at the end of their useful lives becomes an important part of supporting both musical creativity and environmental sustainability. Hybrid analog-digital instruments successfully bridge two worlds: traditional musical craftsmanship and modern electronic innovation. While they often look and feel similar to conventional instruments, they contain advanced technology that expands what musicians can accomplish during performances and recordings. Many hybrid instruments include digital sound processing, onboard effects, MIDI compatibility, wireless communication, and recording capabilities while preserving the natural playing techniques musicians have spent years mastering. This combination allows performers to enjoy familiar instrument designs while gaining access to an entirely new range of sounds and production tools. Because of their versatility, hybrid instruments have become valuable in recording studios, classrooms, concert venues, rehearsal spaces, and home practice environments. They allow musicians to move seamlessly between traditional performance and digital production without needing to completely change the way they play. Understanding how these instruments combine mechanical craftsmanship with sophisticated electronics helps musicians appreciate the importance of maintaining both systems throughout the instrument's life cycle. Like most forms of technology, hybrid musical instruments continue evolving with every new generation. Manufacturers regularly introduce improvements that enhance sound quality, processing power, connectivity, and overall performance. Modern hybrid instruments often feature faster processors, more realistic sound engines, expanded onboard sound libraries, improved wireless communication, and easier integration with recording software. These enhancements allow musicians to work more efficiently while expanding their creative possibilities. Although newer models offer exciting capabilities, older instruments often remain fully playable and dependable. Many musicians continue using existing equipment successfully for years, especially when it continues meeting their recording and performance needs. Carefully evaluating whether new features provide meaningful benefits helps musicians make smarter purchasing decisions while reducing unnecessary electronic waste. One of the most interesting aspects of hybrid instruments is that much of their technology remains hidden from view. From the outside, many appear almost identical to their traditional counterparts, yet inside they contain sophisticated electronic systems working together with mechanical components. Depending on the instrument, these systems may include digital processors, pickups, sensors, circuit boards, rechargeable batteries, communication modules, audio interfaces, displays, memory systems, and programmable electronics. Every one of these components contributes to the instrument's expanded functionality. Electronic pickups capture sound, processors shape audio in real time, sensors respond to the musician's playing style, and communication hardware allows the instrument to interact with computers and recording software. Because these instruments combine traditional craftsmanship with complex electronics, proper care must address both the mechanical and electronic portions throughout their operational lives. Unlike traditional acoustic instruments that may remain useful for generations, hybrid analog-digital instruments are influenced by the rapid pace of technological development. Software compatibility changes over time, recording platforms evolve, digital communication standards improve, and musicians gain access to larger sound libraries, faster processing, and enhanced wireless capabilities. These advancements naturally encourage some musicians to upgrade their equipment. However, many older hybrid instruments continue functioning very well. In numerous situations, the acoustic portion remains in excellent condition, while only the electronic systems begin falling behind current technology. For this reason, replacement decisions should be based on actual creative or technical needs rather than simply purchasing the newest available model. Thoughtful upgrades help reduce unnecessary electronic waste while maximizing the value of existing equipment. Every performance, rehearsal, recording session, and practice routine places normal demands on hybrid musical instruments. Frequent transportation exposes equipment to vibration, changing temperatures, humidity, and regular handling. Stage lighting, repeated setup, and teardown, and years of continuous operation gradually affect both mechanical and electronic components. Connectors, switches, rechargeable batteries, displays, communication ports, and electronic controls naturally experience wear over time. At the same time, traditional mechanical components continue requiring adjustments and maintenance just like conventional instruments. Routine inspections help identify developing issues early, allowing musicians to address minor problems before they become major repairs and helping extend the useful life of valuable equipment. One of the most effective ways to reduce electronic waste is by extending the life of the equipment already in use. Keeping hybrid instruments clean, storing them in protective cases, shielding electronic controls from moisture, and following recommended charging practices all contribute to dependable long-term performance. Proper ventilation and careful transportation also help protect sensitive electronic systems. Routine inspections of connectors, communication ports, rechargeable batteries, and electronic controls allow musicians to identify small problems before they affect performance. Firmware updates, when available, may improve compatibility and functionality without requiring new hardware. By maintaining both the mechanical and electronic aspects of hybrid instruments, musicians often enjoy many additional years of reliable performance while reducing unnecessary equipment replacement. Hybrid musical instruments rely on an entire collection of supporting accessories that often receive far less attention than the instruments themselves. Power adapters, rechargeable battery packs, MIDI interfaces, audio cables, wireless transmitters, sustain pedals, communication adapters, protective carrying cases, charging equipment, and external controllers all contribute to dependable operation. Many of these accessories continue working perfectly even after the primary instrument has been replaced. Organizing and maintaining these supporting components helps reduce unnecessary purchases while making future equipment upgrades more efficient. Treating accessories as valuable parts of the complete musical system allows musicians to maximize the usefulness of existing equipment while minimizing waste. Every musician eventually faces the decision of whether to continue using existing equipment or invest in something newer. Making thoughtful upgrade decisions begins with evaluating actual performance requirements, rather than simply following the latest product releases. If an instrument continues producing dependable sound, integrates effectively with recording equipment, and meets creative goals, it may remain valuable for many years. Maintenance history, compatibility, and reliability should all be considered before deciding to replace existing equipment. When retirement eventually becomes necessary, musicians should preserve custom sound presets, saved performance settings, and any programmable configurations they wish to keep. Organizing accessories, documenting equipment inventories, and identifying reusable components also help simplify future studio planning. Once an instrument has truly reached the end of its practical service life, choosing licensed recyclers helps ensure electronic components are managed responsibly while supporting the recovery of valuable materials contained within the equipment. The future of hybrid analog-digital instruments is filled with exciting possibilities. Continued improvements in processors, sound engines, wireless communication, recording integration, and digital performance tools will allow musicians to explore even greater levels of creativity. As technology advances, responsible ownership becomes increasingly important. Maintaining equipment carefully, extending its useful life whenever practical, organizing accessories, making informed upgrade decisions, and responsibly recycling obsolete electronics all contribute to reducing electronic waste. Every hybrid instrument represents an impressive combination of artistry, engineering, craftsmanship, and innovation. By managing these instruments thoughtfully throughout their entire life cycle, musicians can continue embracing technological progress while protecting valuable resources for future generations. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about hybrid analog-digital instruments and the importance of responsible lifecycle management. Every decision made throughout an instrument's life, from routine maintenance and thoughtful upgrades to responsible recycling, helps reduce electronic waste while preserving valuable technology for the future. If you would like to learn more about responsible electronics recycling or the services we provide, we invite you to contact us. Together, we can help extend the life of valuable technology, recover important electronic resources, and support a more sustainable future for musicians, recording studios, educators, and the entire music community.